Hi dear viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today video is regarding the Garden of Life My Kind Woman Multivitamin. It is the best and certified vegan multivitamin. It is free from gluten, kosher and non-GMO. Garden of Life multivitamin is very famous in US and UK, and it is famous because of containing organic ingredients. It contains 16 vitamins and minerals. It is USDA organic supplement containing plant-based ingredients. It is free from artificial sweeteners, flavors and colors. Garden of Life Women Multivitamin include probiotics and amino acids which helps in absorption of those vitamins and minerals which are available in this multivitamin. It contains vitamin D3 and 10 mg of iron. Vitamin B12 is available here in a good amount, which is a huge amount for those who follow vegetarian diet. This multivitamin doesn't contain iodine and calcium. Now, what are the benefits of Garden of Life Woman Multivitamin? Number 1, it increases the energy level of a body. Number 2, it helps to support a healthy metabolism. Number 3, it supports radiant skin, hair and nails. Garden of Life Woman Multivitamin should be taken 1 tablet daily after breakfast or after the main meal. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Take care and I will see you in the next video.